Hey, it's Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how I install package bees. Now, I don't buy package bees anymore, but I had a good friend of mine who gave me a package this year because he didn't need it. And the typical way of installing packages, it tends to give all the bees a headache, so I install them in a way that doesn't do that. So I keep bees in all medium boxes, and therefore I need to have 2 boxes with empty space to put the package in. But if you keep deep boxes, then a package will fit right in a single deep. So the yellow hive box is just for space, and I'll take that out later. So here I am pulling the feed can, and one thing to note, I'm not all suited up because these bees don't have a home and therefore they don't have anything to defend, and so they will be more confused than anything else and not aggressive. And here is the queen cage, and when you pull the queen cage out you should just set it on the frames and not hold it in the air like what I'm doing. And then, because I have honeycomb that's already built out, I direct release the queen. But if you have an empty hive that doesn't already have honeycomb, that is not a good idea. You should probably keep the queen in the cage and candy release her. And that will give the bees time to draw some comb before the queen gets released. Otherwise, they might abscond or leave. I found that bees tend to walk up, so to get the queen to walk out of the cage, you kind of have to have it at an up angle. And there she's left the cage. And so I'm just going to close up the hive for today, and they will all climb out of the package because they want to be on honeycomb. And then they will figure out where they live and they'll all move in. The next day I will take the package box out. So here I'm just putting together the full hive. Okay, so here is the next day. This is in mid-April, is typically when packages arrive. And so today is sort of warm, but tomorrow is going to be cold, and it's going to be cold for a while, so I need to get that package box out of the hive today. I don't really want to open up the hive that much, and so here I'm just trying to take off the top box, and I brought another box so that I can just set it on that other box, and that way I won't have bees exposed to the elements as I'm taking out the package, and I won't set it directly on the ground, and therefore I won't be smashing bees on the ground. So there's still a few bees hanging around on the package, and so I'll just set that at the entrance, and then they'll figure out where to go once I have the hive closed back up. And then I want to replace the space that I had in there with combs, otherwise they'll draw their own combs any which direction they want. And then I get rid of the yellow super, because a package of bees, 2 10-frame medium boxes is quite sufficient for them at this time of year. It's almost too much space. This is specifically for my area. Remember that all beekeeping is local, so your area might be different. Now you'll notice that I'm suited up today because bees have figured out that this is their hive, and so they're more likely to be defensive, because now this is the location of their home. Hey, do you like these videos? Subscribe. I'll make more. Bye.